Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's session we will be doing exercise 6.3 question number 4. So this is the last question from this exercise. I hope the concept which we have discussed in the previous class till now, the concept is very much clear to you all. So using the same concept previously which we solved in question number 3, 2 and 1, using the very similar concept we will be solving this sum. Okay, so the first question which we have here is number A, minus 7 minus 8 minus, and inside the bracket there is minus 25. Okay, so the rule which we are applying here, you know that you can easily see that we will be using the rule of multiplication of sign. Yes, so minus 7 is inside the bracket, so let's take this outside. Now minus 8, whatever is there, write that. Now this is the crucial point out here. Most of the students are still confused that what to do here, sir. So you will be doing minus minus will be plus, and it will be 25. Okay, now as this is of 3 numbers, so make a pair of this number. As this can be paired, this cannot be paired here, so let us make the pair of this 2 and do it. Minus minus will be plus. You will be doing plus, that is 8 plus 7 will be 15. What will be the sign? The sign will be minus, as because 8 is the greater number, isn't it? Next, what is the remaining? Plus 25. Now nothing is there, so you have already the pair now. So now plus minus into plus is minus, minus into plus is minus, so minus should be done. 25 minus 15 is 10, but the sign will be no sign. There will be, that will indicate there will be a positive sign. Why? Because 25 being a greater number, it is carrying positive sign. So in this manner we will be getting the answer, the desired value. Okay, all right, so similarly let's do the next one, that is question number B from question number 4. Minus 13 plus 32 minus 8 minus 1. The sum is very easy. You just have to use the rule of multiplication of integer and then solve. Minus 13, let's keep this minus 13 outside the bracket. No changes, as because there is outside plus, so plus minus will be minus. Now plus 32 minus 8 minus 1. Now you can see here, these are the you have got the paired number, so let us take the pair, or you can do the pair of this two number and this and this, whichever you like to, but I prefer you all to do this one because you may get confused. So in order to avoid any confusion, we can do this. Okay, so minus plus will be minus, so 32 minus 13 should be done. So 2 minus 3 is not possible, so borrowing will be carried out. 3 9 it will be, so 1 it was given to 2, so it will be 2 here. 2 minus 1 is 1, so it will be 19, and the sign will be plus because 32 is a greater number. And that's why the rule using the rules of multiplication of integer, rule with the sign, we did minus because it was plus, minus into plus was minus. Now the next, we are over with this. Now remaining is this part. So minus minus is plus, minus minus is plus, so it should be plus, should be done plus. 8 plus 1 is 9, so 9 should be written. Now the question comes, what will be the sign, sir? Now in between this two number, that is minus 8 and minus 1, which number is greater? Of course, in between 8 and 1, which number is greater? 8 is greater. 8 is carrying what sign? Minus, minus, so minus should be given. So 19 minus 9 is 10, and the answer is 10. So in the in both the cases we got 10 as an answer. Okay, so let me erase this part. Okay, let's do number C now. Number C will be minus 7 plus minus 8 plus minus 90. Alright, so here again the same thing I'll be applying, that is minus 7 plus plus minus will be minus 8, plus minus will be minus 8. Okay, then again minus plus minus will be again minus 90. So there is only 3 numbers, so the pair cannot be made with all the numbers, but whatever are the numbers which we can make can be made the pairs. So -7 -8 is minus is plus, so plus should be done. So 7 plus 8 is 15, but the sign will be minus, as because 8 is a greater number compared to 7 and 8 is carrying negative sign. So I think from the next time I don't have to repeat this, that 8 is a greater number, 7 is smaller, that's why 8 the sign which greater number is carrying, the sign should be possessed in that answer. So I hope in the next class I should not be repeating this thing again. Now minus minus is plus, as because this 15 is carrying minus sign, this 90 is also carrying minus sign, so it will be minus will be plus. Okay, so plus should be done. 90 plus 15 will be 105. 105, what will be the sign? The sign will be negative. Why? 90 is a greater number. Okay, so easy. The value here will be 105, isn't it? Okay, so I hope everyone understood the concept. This concept which we discussed in the previous class is the same which we have applied in this also, that is the rule of multiplication with the sign. And I request everyone to do this number D as a home assignment. This will be a homework. Okay, so this much for today. See you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.